Hi everybody, this is Kathy from Kathy's Creative Crafts and more. Welcome back to our channel. So today I am coming along with this package I received today, and today is it's 1 in the morning Friday, but anyways, so I received this from Miss Sheila, and she here on YouTube is Country Girl First. And oh my goodness, so she had a giveaway. She was gifting away some ribbon, and she had two different ones. I think she said one was dark color, one was light. She just went ahead and packaged it. She wasn't gonna say which one was what. So whatever you were getting, that's what you were gonna get. So I won, so I was so excited. So I am a big ribbon lover, and I am planning to use everything this year as I can, since we can't really go shopping. So anyways, so let me go ahead and open this. And Miss Sheila, thank you so much. I'm so excited. So Miss Sheila went ahead and redid her craft room, and she she got rid of a lot of stuff, and her ribbon was one of them. So let's go ahead and see what I got. So she did say it's a variety, and I think I got the light colors. Yay! I was kind of hoping I would get the light colors. So anyway, so this is a ribbon here, and you know what? I've been looking for this ribbon. Like, I love this ribbon. Oh my goodness. Thank you. So I've been looking for this ribbon for a while, and I'm so glad. Thank you, because I kind of finished it really fast. So I'm surprised that and then she also got me, or gifted this one. Look at you guys. I don't know if you guys could see, the lighting might be a little off. Let me see. My light's a little weird. Maybe it's just the camera. So, ooh, how pretty. And this is from Hobby Lobby. Beautiful, beautiful. I don't know if you guys could see the flowers. And this is more like a peach color. Beautiful, beautiful. And then she put this one in here. Nice. So, St. Patrick's coming along. Yay. And then there's this one right here. Oh, I like these. These are one of my favorites. Awesome. And then this one right here. And it's like a gold one. So awesome for stencils. Tassels. Oh my goodness, you guys. Look at this blue one. Oh, how nice. And there's another, like a, not a peach, like a mauve color, I want to say. Awesome. So let me go ahead and move some of the stuff around. And then this one right here. Oh, I like this one. This one has like cows. It's more like a Japanese kind of feel to it, I want to say. Country. Ooh, oh yeah, it's country. Nice. This is cute. I like this. So, oh yeah. And then this one right here. So I will be, oh my goodness, definitely be using this soon, since it's a Valentine. I'll go ahead and put it on the side right there. This is a kind of like a dark pink, reddish color. Nice. And then this one right here, clouds. Oh, I love this one. So awesome to use for your tassels, like I was saying. There's this one right here. Awesome. And then there's this one. Oh, I like the feel of this. I like this one. Oh, more tassels. So I'm already making tassels in my head with these. And this is another of the, what does it say right here? Does it say the color? It says rose. So I guess it's a rose color. Look at this one, you guys. This one's a peachy color. Awesome. And this one is, let me see, kind of like a greenish color to it. It looks like a cross stitch. There's the ivory color there. Ooh, this one's cute. This is some Hobby Lobby, and this one reminds me of the Maggie Holmes, or is it Maggie Holmes? The little cat. So cute. And there's a white one here. So like I said, I am already making bows, tassels, I mean. Oh my goodness. Like this one. Awesome for gift packaging. There's more of this one. This is more like a silk kind of. There's another one. Oh, that's a rose color again. There's a white one here. So, oh my goodness. I think that's it on that one. And then there's these. How cute! So excited I got the light color ones. I was crossing my fingers for the light color one, so yes. And then this one right here. And then this big bag right here. I don't know, I don't remember showing this one. Did you guys see that one? So awesome. So I'm gonna have so much fun making tassels here, you guys. And then, so these are a few that are in here. Look at this one, you guys. I'm not gonna pull them out because you guys could see right here. These are like basic little trims. More right here. You guys can see this one. Oh, let me see this one. Oh, this one's pretty. Oh my gosh, you guys could see. This is a big trim. I like this. Let me see this one right here. This is another big trim. Nice. So you can use these on books. You could, if you're making like a banner or something, you could put those in there. And these are samples. And you can always use these. I always like to use like little extra ones. So awesome. There's this one right here. Oh, yay. Look at this one. This one's pretty. These are like seam binding, huh? Oh, awesome to have right now. Put it on the side. Nice for the spring colors right here. And this one's cute. How cute. And then let me go ahead and show the other one. I don't think I've shown this one. That's a good maybe 3-4 yards right here. And this one's so pretty. Look at you guys. That's pretty. This is really pretty. I like this one. So I'm gonna put that in there. And then these are the last few ones. And these are all bundled up, and you guys could see that. Awesome. This one, oh, okay. So these are all bundled up in here. So awesome. Can't wait to play with all these. And like I said, I will probably be making a lot of tassels with all these since I have more ribbon to play with. Oh, look at this, you guys. These are cute. Look at you guys. Oh, they have the umbrellas. Okay. Well, thank you, Miss Sheila, for. I'm so happy I won your giveaway, and I will definitely be using all these. And if I need to, I will give some away too. Anyways, thank you everybody for taking the time to watch, and I will link Miss Sheila, Country Girl First, down on the description below, so you guys could go over and check her out and show her some love. I'm pretty sure everybody is already subscribed to her, but just in case somebody's not, I'll go ahead and link her down there. Thank you again. We'll see you guys on our next video. Bye for now.